Hi everyone, Beck Smith here, the DIY Marketing Trailblazer, on day 4 of our 40-day video series. I'm offering small business tips and tricks to upskill digital marketing expertise. So this is going to be a really quick video. I've got an amazing tip. Well, I think so anyway. This tip is for anyone looking to create a new business website or update or upgrade an existing website. So one of the most difficult things that you'll find when starting on building a website is to work out what is the best WordPress theme that you're going to use to give you all the right functionality and the right look and feel for your business. You can spend a lot of time looking through the various WordPress themes, trying to work out which one is right for you. So one of the things I would suggest is if you start by doing a bit of research, have a good look around at various different websites out there, have a look at your competitors, have a look within the industry. But if you come across a fantastic website that you think has all the functionality you'd be looking for and the right look and feel, there's this amazing tool that you can go to find out exactly what WordPress theme they are using. So this website is called whatwpthemeisthat.com. And what you do is you go into this website and you type in the URL of the fantastic website that you've found. And not only will it tell you the theme that they're using, the WordPress theme, it'll tell you what version of the theme they're using. It'll tell you what version of license that they're holding, and also what plugins that they might be using to create the functionality for that website. So this can save you a huge amount of time and potentially money just by benefiting from other people's experience and the process that other businesses have gone through to create their amazing websites. So that's my tip of the day. I hope you've found it useful. As I've said before, if you've got any particular challenges that you're faced with at the moment, or if you're struggling with a certain aspect of digital marketing in your business, please let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to create one of my future video series around helping you with that particular problem. Anyway, in the meantime, have a great day, stay safe and healthy, and I look forward to chatting with you tomorrow.